how to fix Rematch beta controller not working. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to help you fix the controller not working issue while playing the Rematch beta. So if your controller isn't connecting properly or keeps acting up, stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you're using a Bluetooth connection for your controller, don't. I highly recommend switching to a wired connection instead. Bluetooth can sometimes mess with signal stability, especially in beta games like this one. Next up, open Steam. Go to your library and right-click on Rematch Beta. Click on Properties. Then head over to the Controller tab on the left. Under the section that says Override for Rematch Beta, click the drop-down and choose Enable Steam Input. Once done, close the window and try launching the game again. Still not working? No worries, we're not done yet. Let's download a tool called DS4 Windows. Just Google it and click the download button. It'll download as a zip file, so once that's done, go ahead and extract it by dragging the folder onto your desktop. Now plug in your controller and it should show up in DS4 Windows. Now go back, launch the game, and your controller should be working perfectly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and catch you in the next one.